Welcome back. We're going to be putting into practice some of the skills you've learned in the previous lessons of this course. You can find the part file for this lesson in the exercise folder of the course files. Let's begin by using the Trim Surface tool on my surface. The tool trim will be the sketch. Selections to keep. OK. Now let's activate 3D Sketch mode. We'll go back to the Sketch tab, Sketch submenu, 3D Sketch. First, I'll use the Line tool. And I'll create a few lines. Right-click and select to break the sequence. Activate the tool again. And now let's drop in a sequence of a few lines. Right-click, select to close the tool. And one more line. Right-click, select, exit the tool. Now I'm going to insert a sketch plane. I'll select the first reference and the second reference and click OK. When the reference plane is active, let's apply a 3-point arc. And another arc here. Right-click and select to exit the tool. Now shift-select my two arcs and add an equal relation. And let's apply dimensions. A radius of 50 millimeters, OK. Our sketch is now fully defined. Let's exit. Now I'm going to create a boundary surface, so let's go to the Surfaces tab. Activate the Boundary Surface tool. For the direction, I'll select this line and this sketch. For direction 2, let's select this edge and this edge. And OK. Now let's right-click and make our 3D sketch visible. Let's activate the Boundary Surface tool. Let's select this edge and this edge for direction 1. Here's our preview, looks good. We don't need any selections for direction 2, so let's click OK. Activate the Boundary Surface tool again. For direction 1, we'll select this edge and this edge. We don't need any direction 2 selections, so let's click OK. Reactivate the tool. This edge for direction 1. This time we'll use a direction 2, this curve. OK. And this edge. And click OK. Accept. Activate the tool again. First edge here. Second edge here. And for direction 2, I'm going to use a curve, this curve here. And click OK. And this curve here. Click OK. Accept. 2 more to go. Boundary Surface tool. This edge. This edge. This curve. OK. This sketch line. OK. And accept. Last one. This edge here. And this edge. OK. We need to flip these connectors. Let's right-click on the open group and select Flip Connectors. For direction 2, this edge and this edge. Accept. OK, looking good. Let's use the Planar Surface tool now. We'll select these edges. I'm picking up the perimeter around the bottom of my model. And OK. OK, looking good. I need to knit these surfaces together now, so let's shift-select them in the design tree, and then click the Knit Surface tool. If you don't have any gaps, this option to form a solid will be available. I've checked it and clicked OK. Let's take a section view to check out our work, and click OK. And as a result, we've successfully created a solid body. This concludes Lesson 17.